giant camera. Wonder if it's open. If it's open, we should check it out. Definitely. Let's see, what does it say? Camera obscura and holograph gallery. I guess it's closed because it's not open. Duh. Let's see. Okay, enough of that. Oh, nobody's here. So we're seeing parts of the pieces back in the past. We can actually picture. Oh my god. Never mind that, folks. There's a psycho behind me. There's a small island. Okay. Having trouble concentrating when somebody's coming behind your back. An old man. And let's see. So as you can see, that's the. I think that's a part of the piece of the old house, the Sutro Bath house. It looks old. Because according to the story, it's like it used to stand here, where you see the restaurant now. It used to be here, and it burned down to the ground. But hopefully, we'll find some old pieces that can prove that he was here. There's evidence, but I'm hoping we can find some relic at least. Earlier I was like videotaping. Do you see that man? That guy in the red is so weird. He followed me all the way here when he saw me videotaping. I'm not sure if this is the part of the old house, but kind of looks like it. Excuse me. I wonder what's it over in that small rock. It seems like there's a small cave in there. Anyway, we're gonna check that area out. Oh, bingo! We found the cave, ladies and gentlemen. We found the cave. Man, I've been looking for this cave for the whole time. It's just right there. It's been rumored it's been part of the bathhouse in the early days, where the huge mansion and bathhouse were connected. And now we can actually see the ruins. Now I find the old ruins of the bathhouse. Now those are the rocks way over there. I'll zoom in a little bit closer. That's where the huge mansion-like building stood before, back in the day, before it burned down to the ground. It was quite famous. And if you go to their website, sutrobath.com, you'll see the info, the history about the place. And it's like, excuse me, it burned to the ground back in the day. But back in the day, it was like a big hit. A lot of people come all over just to be inside that facility, like a swimming area. I'm not sure if we can access that area, but I'll try to find a way, because I don't see any way getting to there unless I cross certain path. I'm not sure. We could be. I'm not sure if this area is safe, but that's our target. That cave right there. So we're currently seeing the ruins of the famous Sutro Bath House. It's called Ocean or Sutro Beach. And this is what remains. The ruins. If you check their website, you can see how big it was. But it burned all the way to the ground, so nothing was left except some piles of metals, concrete, stones, and this. I think this is the part where the swimming pool was, and that's the cave. rumored to be connected to the huge facility. Graffiti again. Yep, I guess this is all what remains to be the old bathhouse. Sutro Bath House to be exact. There you go. Piles of old concrete. I guess that's all what remains. We're in the ruins of Sutro Beach. Okay. Excuse me. Pardon me. So we're going to climb down the steps, going all the way from there to the bottom, because according to that to the website, those are crumbling. There's a bunch of steps in that area, but it's not safe, so we're going to take a different path. We're going to come from this area, going all the way down in a different route. I think this used to be a part of the old building on the very top of the hill. This piece of concrete, I guess that's part of the relic. Bunch of people. Now this is weird. I can seriously hear a sound of drainage coming from this area. Could be some pipes, some hole down there. I'm not sure. I can't see anything except grass. So, oh man. Sorry about that. I'm still coughing. Yeah, winter time can do that to a guy. Make you sick. At least I'm feeling better. A little bit. Okay, we got a long way to go. So this is the old ruin. We just came down from the cliff. From that area. Whoops, the sun is blocking the way. So we're already in the ground, so you already knew where we came from. And this is... now that's the cave. That area, we're gonna be there in a little bit. So that break must be also one of those that was left behind when the fire came through the building.